ABC Educational Channel. Today, let's have a reading practice. Using English reading sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. I am caring. I am caring. I eat vegetables. I eat vegetables. I drink tea. I drink tea. I have mittens. I have mittens. I drink lemonade. I drink lemonade. I play in the sand. I play in the sand. I like popcorn. I like popcorn. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I play hide and seek. I play hide and seek. I see a robot. I see a robot. I have ribbon. I have ribbon. I love my grandpa. I love my grandpa. I see a bike. I see a bike. I see a bus. I see a bus. I love my cousin. I love my cousin. I play on the side. I play on the side. I Eat. Snacks. I eat snacks. I love my aunt. I love my aunt. I am helpful. I am helpful. I have a globes. I have a globes. I like hot chocolate. I like hot chocolate. I am cheerful. I am cheerful. I have a sweater. I have a sweater. I have a socks. I have a socks. Great job, kids! Until our next reading adventure.